welcome back to Layabove Yoga. Today is day 13 of the 21-day yoga challenge. I am so excited that you're here and so honored to continue to teach you through these 21 days of 12 minutes of yoga every day. If this is your first day here, you can choose to start here, or you can choose to go to class 1, which is right up there, and you can start from scratch. And you can start any day of the week. It doesn't have to be a Monday, it doesn't have to be the first day of the year, you just have to start. If you've been here for the 13 days, I am super proud of you. Please continue on, you're almost there, and you're going to continue to create this habit of doing yoga every single day. So if you're ready, roll out your mat, take a deep breath, and let's get started. Start by laying on your back today, and bring the soles of your feet together and your knees apart. If your knees are hovering a lot and they don't feel very comfortable, you can bring blocks under your knees, and then go ahead and lie all the way down. And you can rest your hands on your belly, relax the shoulders, and just close your eyes for a moment. Taking big, deep belly breaths. Take one more breath. And gently bring the hands behind your knees and allow the knees to come all the way back up. Bring the feet wider than your hips, so maybe mat's width, and then allow the knees to fall towards each other. Press the feet strongly onto the ground. Maybe take the arms up and above your head. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Keep the feet where they are and take the knees straight up towards the sky. And then begin to move your legs from side to side. So allow the knees to fall to the left. Bring them back to center and then take them all the way to the right. And just keep moving here side to side. Let it feel good. And as always, just move in a way that feels good to your body without worrying if it looks the same as mine or if it looks completely different. Just move mindfully, breathe deeply, and stay present. The next time you come to the left, stay there. If you want to deepen that twist, take the left foot over the right knee and flex the foot. One more breath. Gently release the foot if you brought it over the knee. Go all the way to the right. And again, optional to take the right foot over the left knee to deepen the stretch just a little. Breathe deeply. Gently release the foot, come back to center. Bring your feet directly under your knees so they're hips distance apart. And take the arms down to the earth. Ground through the palms of the hands, through the forearms, through the triceps, all the way through the shoulders. And as you inhale, lift your hips up any amount. Coming into bridge pose. Plant the hands strongly. And keep taking your chest towards your chin. Gaze up towards the sky. Allow the knees to stay pointing straight forward. They sometimes want to splay out. One more breath, inhale. And exhale, gently lower your hips back down. Keep the left foot planted on the ground. Stretch your right leg up towards the ceiling. Really flex the foot so the heel is reaching up and the toes are pointing down towards your face. Bring your hands behind your right leg and interlace your fingers. You don't have to take the hands really high up the leg, just somewhere where this feels good. And begin to do circles with your right ankle. going a few circles one way and then switching the other way. Breathe in. And as you breathe out, bend that right knee and take that right ankle across the left knee. Flex the foot a lot and press the right knee away from you with your right hand. You can stay here if you want to take it deeper. Lift your left foot off the earth. Interlace your fingers onto your left shin. And keep pressing the right knee away with your right elbow. Lengthen the spine, lengthen the neck, relax the shoulders. One more breath, inhale. And exhale, release the right foot to the floor. Stretch your left leg up towards the sky. Again, flexing the foot as much as possible. Toes towards the face and heel up towards the sky. Take the hands behind your leg, interlace the fingers. And begin to move your left ankle. Breathing deeply. Switch directions. And gently bend that left knee. Take the ankle across the right knee. Flex the foot. Press the left knee away with your left hand. Option to stay here or pick up your right foot off the earth. Interlace the fingers onto your right leg. Keep pressing the left knee away from you, maybe with the left elbow. And gently release the arms. Take the right foot down, take the left foot down. Stretch the arms over the head. Stretch the legs all the way down. Give yourself a big full body stretch. If you want to yawn, you can yawn. You can make any noises you want. Take a deep breath in and let it out. Bring the knees in towards your chest. Take the hands behind the knees this time and rock yourself from shoulders to hips, forward and back. 2 or 3 times. If this does not feel good on your spine, please skip. Come all the way up and cross your legs. Find a comfortable seat. Inhale, reach the arms up. And exhale, take your right hand down to the earth. Keep reaching the left arm up, body long, and then take that arm over towards the right. Maybe you walk your right hand a little bit further. Ground to the left sit bone. And come back up. Take the left hand down. Right arm reaches up. And exhale, take it over towards the left. Inhale, come back to center. And come into double pigeon. So there's 2 options to do this. Bring your left shin in front of the right first. And flex your feet. And take the feet as far out towards the knees as possible. So the feet are stacked underneath your knees. If this feels like enough, stay here. If you want a little more, grab that left foot and take it on top of the right knee. Keep the feet super flexed here. If this is a little much, but the other one was a little too little, you can bring the foot a little bit closer towards your hip. And just find the place where this feels good. Lengthen the spine as you breathe in. Stay here, or option to fold a little forward. Take a couple breaths here. Keep grounding through the sit bones. Wherever you are, the spine is long. If you're hinging forward, hinge from your hips. One more breath. And bring yourself up. Take the legs out and switch sides. So bring your right shin in front of the left. Feet flexed under the knees as much as possible. And if this is enough for you today, this is totally great. If you want a little bit more, Just bring that right foot on top of the left knee, literally on top, not inside of the knee. Flex the feet, creating that triangle shape with your legs. Maybe move the foot closer if you'd like. Lengthen the spine, breathe in. And breathe out, fold forward any amount. One more breath. And bring yourself back up. Cross your legs in a comfortable position. Rest your hands on your knees. Close your eyes or gaze down to the earth. And just take a few breaths here. Noticing how even the most gentle practice can awaken the body and can relax the mind. Take a deep breath in through the nose and sigh it out. Bring your palms together in front of your heart and bow your head. Namaste. Thank you so much for having joined me for day 13 of the 21-day yoga challenge. I hope that you enjoyed this very gentle hip flow. Sometimes doing less is actually more because you can really relax into your body and feel. So please let me know in the comments how this practice went for you and how you're doing in general. Is this really helping you? If it is, I would love to know. And please, if you're enjoying the content, consider subscribing to this channel. That will give me a chance to continue to bring videos to you that are useful and that will help you create this home practice that you can keep for a very long time. So I would love to see you again tomorrow for day 14. I hope you have an amazing day. See you soon.